Yes, hello guys. Quick update for today's video is actually an unwind together with my kids. Here's Ate Claire, Dwayne, and then Samantha and Adrian. Yes, and there I am. So, while waiting for the food, ayan, nag-uusap-usap kami at nagvi-video na lang para makapture namin yung moment na meron kami. O, diba? And then in here, ayan, dumating na yung aming food. Tuwang-tuwa ng lahat. Okay? So yes, mga mams, here's my tip as a budget mom. Ang paglabas-labas naman po natin ay hindi talaga ipinagbabawal. So, balit, dapat tayo ay nakapaghanda ni Tech. Hindi pa pwedeng, even if it's not within the budget, lalabas tayo para laang mag-enjoy. Kailangan lahat na pagpaplanuhan so that maayos yung ating kapirahan. Hindi yung basta-basta lang na igagastos. So, hindi naman para talaga doon. So, kaya yung aming paglabas-labas na itech is according to budget and planado po. So, ayun yung pinaka-tip ko para po tayo ay talagang makakapag-enjoy sa ating life even if we are in a tight budget. So, even if ano lang yung sahod mo is minimum wage lang, if you learn how to budget your money wisely, then of course you can still enjoy your life. So here I am, I'm making sure na even if hindi kami mayaman, hindi kami ganun karangya sa buhay, but at least I am trying my very best to give the best for my kids. Yung mga hindi ko naranasan before is talagang sinisikap ko na kahit papano ay mapaparanas ko rin sa aking mga kiddos. So I'm not that sure if that what's make them fully happy, but at least yan yung pinaka naiisip ko na makakapagpasaya sa kanila. So ayan. So bawat kids ko ay may iba-ibang hilig. So ayan. Kaya as a mom, you need to know what's important to them and what makes them happy, of course. So, yeah. And isa pa guys, isa sa tips na aking mai-share sa inyo for today's video is, it's not because you're already a mom and have multiple of obligations, hindi ka na pwedeng magkaroon ng sarili mong buhay or magkaroon ng happy life or yung me time. Please make sure that as a mom, you'll be having your me time because that's the only secret para ikaw ay magkaroon ng buffer for yourself just in case there would be down moments in your life. Hindi ka basta-basta mapupunde since ang dami-dami mo pang buffer. And also as a mom, hindi po pwede yung bigay-bigay todo. Yung lahat na binibigay mo na hindi ka na nagtitira para sa sarili mo. It's good that you're giving your best to your family, pero mas okay kung mayroon ka rin talagang tinitira sa iyong sarili. Because alam nyo ba guys, na one of the big reasons why ang daming suicidal, it's because wala silang me time. Hindi sila nagbibigay ng special moment for themselves. Kaya for me, I'm making sure na kapag may enough budget ako, even if my moments ako for my kids, for my family, I am also having a moment for myself. Usual thing na ginagawa ko is window shop, and then minsan naman pumupunta sa mga coffee shop just to have a me time. And if maluwag-luwag, malaki talaga yung budget, is pumupunta ako sa hotel just to enjoy the moment by myself. So me alone. O, diba? So ayun lang guys, sana may natutunan kayo for today's video. Family ano talaga centered ako, pero at least we also make sure na meron din tayong pagmamahal sa sarili. Hindi po pagiging selfish yun guys ha, pagmamahal sa sarili po yun. O ayan, so nakikita nyo naman nag-i-enjoy talaga yung aking baby Dwayne Jarn. O diva, oh. Dun. So yes, so what makes them happy? will surely also makes me truly happy. So that's why I'm making all the best of me para aking maibigay sa kanila yung aking makakaya na ibigay. So, hindi man siya yung sobra-sobrang marangya, but at least ginagawa kong lahat para sila ay mapasaya. Okay? So, dito naman banda is pumupunta ako kila Ate Claire. O, diba? Nagmo-moment naman sila dito ng guitar. O, ayan yung magkapatid. Ang mag-ate. Oops. Mukhang nag-enjoy sila. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Hope nag-enjoy kayo. And yeah, see you on my next videos. Have a nice one. God bless. Bye.